In today's video, we are going to cover how to connect ClickUp with Make.com. Begin by signing in to your Make.com account. Once you are on the main workspace, create a new scenario. This opens the scenario builder, which is where you add apps and set up the connection between them. If Make.com takes a moment to load the builder, wait until the canvas is fully visible before moving on. With the new scenario open, click the plus button in the center of the canvas to add your first module. A search panel will appear with the available apps and services. In that search field, type ClickUp. When ClickUp appears in the results, select it, then choose the ClickUp module you want to use. The exact module can vary depending on the action or trigger you plan to work with, but the connection process begins the same way from the module settings. After selecting the module, look for the connection field inside the setup window. This is where Make.com stores access to your ClickUp account so the module can communicate with your workspace. In that connection field, click Add to start creating a new connection. A new connection window will open. In that window, enter a name for your ClickUp connection. Use a name that helps you recognize the account or workspace later, especially if you plan to connect more than one ClickUp account in Make.com. Once the name is entered, click Save to continue. After saving, Make.com will prompt you to sign in to ClickUp and approve access. Enter your ClickUp account details if you are not already signed in. Then review the authorization screen and allow Make.com to access your ClickUp workspace. If you have more than one workspace or account available, make sure you select the correct one before approving the request. This avoids connecting the wrong workspace by mistake. Once the authorization is complete, you will be returned to Make.com. Go back to the ClickUp module window and check the connection dropdown. You should now see the connection name you just created listed there. Select it if it is not already selected, and confirm that the module shows the connection as available and ready to use. At this point, the link between ClickUp and Make.com has been established, and the module can now use that connection for the workflow you are building. If the new connection does not appear right away, give the window a moment to refresh, then check the dropdown again. Your ClickUp connection now appears in Make.com and is ready to use in your scenario.